Welcome to our in-depth 8-minute video review of the 2025 Hyundai Alcazar, a premium 3-row SUV that brings a fresh blend of luxury, practicality, and advanced technology. In this video, we'll explore all its main components in detail, from exterior design to engine specs, interior features, safety, and the pricing for each key part. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Alcazar a strong contender in the mid-size SUV segment. Starting from the exterior, the 2025 Alcazar comes with an updated front grille inspired by Hyundai's latest design language. It features a bold parametric grille, redesigned LED DRLs, and updated full LED headlamps. The side profile includes new 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, roof rails, chrome accents, and body cladding that enhances its premium look. At the rear, you'll find a revised LED tail lamp cluster and a dual-tip exhaust for added sportiness. The approximate price of a complete headlamp unit is around a superscript 118,000, while the alloy wheels can cost up to a superscript 112,000 each. Under the hood, the Alcazar offers two engine options, a 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine delivering 160 PS and 253 Nm of torque, and a 1.5-litre diesel engine producing 116 PS and 250 Nm. Both engines are BS6 Phase 2 compliant and come with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DCT transmission. The petrol DCT variant is known for its smooth shifts and quick acceleration. The petrol engine unit costs approximately a superscript 1.2 lakh, while the diesel engine is priced around a superscript 1.5 lakh. The interior of the 2025 Alcazar has seen major upgrades in terms of tech and luxury. It now features a larger 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster along with a new 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system equipped with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Other key features include dual-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats, a wireless charger, and a Bose Premium Mate speaker system. The panoramic sunroof costs around a superscript 180,000 if replaced, while the infotainment unit is valued at about a superscript 155,000. The SUV offers a 6-seater and a 7-seater configuration. Captain seats in the second row provide a comfortable and luxurious experience, while the third-row seats are now more accessible with one-touch tumble functionality. Upholstery options include premium leatherette seats and soft-touch materials on the dashboard and doors. Each seat assembly could range between a superscript 115,000 to a superscript 125,000 depending on material and design. In terms of safety, the 2025 Alcazar is equipped with over 25 standard safety features including 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill assist, rear parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, and TPMS. Additionally, Hyundai has added advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, in top variants, which include features like lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. The cost for the 360-degree camera system is estimated around a superscript 140,000 and ADAS hardware with software can go over a superscript 1 lakh. Connectivity is a strong point for high-end vehicles, and the Alcazar is no exception. With Hyundai BlueLink, owners can control functions remotely via smartphone, including climate control, engine start, stop, and vehicle tracking. The BlueLink module costs approximately a superscript 125,000 if replaced. Now let's talk about variants and pricing. The 2025 Hyundai Alcazar is available in several trims, including Prestige, Platinum, and Signature. Prices start at a superscript 117.5 lakh for the base petrol manual variant and go up to a superscript 121.5 lakh for the top-end diesel automatic Signature, with adders. In summary, the 2025 Hyundai Alcazar is a well-rounded SUV offering solid engine options, premium features, and competitive pricing. Whether you're looking for a family SUV with spacious 3-row seating or a feature-rich urban cruiser, the Alcazar makes a compelling case in its segment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed automotive reviews.